everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make sticker sheets, and the sticker sheets that I'm going to be making today are Disney treats. First, I want to download my picture onto my computer. I drew this on Procreate and here it is. Okay, so I'm going to open up Google Chrome and I'm going to go to a website called Photopea. So from there I'm going to open the file from my computer. And I want to remove this white background. So I'm going to right click on magic wand, hit on any of the white area that you don't want to keep, and click delete on your keyboard. Then I want to create a white layer around each image. So I want to select layer, layer style, stroke, and if you can see there's a red line around it right now, I want to make this color white. And I want it to be a little thicker, so I'm going to make it 10. I like checking that there aren't little small mistakes that I didn't see. So I like creating a new layer and I drag it under the background. I click on layer, new fill layer, and I'm going to make it black. So then that way if there are little mistakes, it's easier to see. And then I zoom in and just check that everything is nice looking. Okay, so since this looks good, I'm going to right click and delete this because I don't want a black background. I'm going to click File, Export as PNG, and then click Save. So now that I have that saved, I'm going to open up Cricut, click on New Project, and I'm going to upload the image. So it was this one here. Then I'm going to click complex and just double check that the white line looks clean. Okay, and then continue. And I want to save this as a print then cut image. If I save it as just a cut image, it won't have any of the designs on it. So I'm going to click save and I'm going to insert this image. So since we're printing then cutting, we have to change the height to 9.25 because for a Cricut machine the max is 6.75 wide and 9.25 tall. So I'm just going to move this to 0, 0 and then select make it. So I'm only going to make one and everything looks good, so I'm going to click continue, send to printer. So I don't want to add bleed since we have that white border, and I want to use my printer's system dialog. So I use the HP PhotoSmart C4700. I've had this printer since I was in college, so I just continue using it, and I click on stickers. So I want the print quality to be the best, and I'm going to load my paper into the printer. So after it's printed, I'm going to connect to my Cricut machine. And if I were doing a sticker sheet, I would use the sticky note, but since I'm going to make die cuts, I'm going to select photo paper and I want the pressure to be more. I'm going to load this into my Cricut, click the flashing load button. And I like closing the top when I do print then cut so I can scan this black line. And I click start. Okay, so now you want to carefully bend the mat so that you can take off your sticker paper, and you want to make sure that you're bending the mat and not your paper, because if you bend your paper then it can start to curl. And if there are any pieces that are left on your mat, that's fine, just carefully bend the mat and peel it off. And if there are any die cut stickers that didn't come off your paper, you can just carefully punch them out. And there they are! My die cut Disney food stickers.